In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Coinbase Wallet. To do this, just go and open up Coinbase Wallet and click on the wallet icon in the bottom right. From here, you want to go and click buy. And then for the network, for me right now it says base, so just click on whatever it says for you. And then here select Solana, so you can see it down here, just pick Solana. And then for the cryptocurrency, for me it says USDC. Now just click on whatever it said for you. And then here you will see all of these supported assets right here. Now with these ones down here with the wallet address, you need to swap the asset. But at the top right here, these are assets that are actually available on Coinbase Wallet as well. So you can see a bunch of them are also meme coins. So you can just select one of those, but you can also choose to swap assets. And to do that, for example, if I want to do the purple Pepe right here, I can just click on it. Then here I need to swap from a currency that I already have. So I have Solana, and then here I can choose how much I want to do. Then click on continue and then click on swap. And then that will be swapped for the crypto that I just bought. So now you can see in my wallet, if I refresh it right here, you can see that I now also have the purple Pepe that I just bought, which is a Solana meme coin. So if you want to do one of those that is not supported, then first just go and buy or deposit some Solana and then swap the Solana for the Solana meme coin. So now you know how to buy Solana meme coins on Coinbase Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.